Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record calls on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and I want to record calls on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings app here. Very first, I recommend to make a software update. So go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find try to update your software, then go back from here. Open the option of apps here, then go for phone app. So once you find phone, tap on the phone app here, then scroll down, look for the option of audio call recording, then enable this feature from here. Once you have enabled, your audio call will be automatically starts call recording, or if it doesn't work for you, or if you don't find the option here, so we just have to go back, open your app store here, you have to search for call recorder, and you will get different third-party apps. You just have to select anyone from here. I am going to download this one because I have already installed it on my phone. Here I have an update, so I'm going to update my app. Or if you don't have installed any app, you have to install any third-party app from your app store. And after installing that, you will be able to record a call on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.